Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you how I myself was able to fix Venmo transaction declined. Please try again in a short while. So if you're currently having that exact same error and you want to be able to fix it, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So basically what I did was that I firstly closed my Venmo app and instead I went straight into my settings app. So now on my settings app, then what I did was that I scrolled down in here and then I clicked where it says general. So I clicked on general, I scrolled down again and I clicked on storage in here. And then I actually clicked on the search symbol in the top right corner. As you can see, I searched for Venmo in here and I clicked on the app, and then I clicked on offload app, and once again I clicked on offload app in here, as you can see, and then I just clicked on the reinstall app button once again. So basically what I did in here was that I automatically updated my Venmo app to the latest version. And when it was done loading right here, as you can see, when it was done, I just went back into my app and I tried again and it actually worked. And if it still is not working for you, what you can do then is to just contact the Venmo support. You will need to contact them and explain to them what kind of error that you're having and that you try to update your app and it still is not working. And then after that, hopefully then they will be able to fix it for you instead.